YouTube, so of course I can never just record. Everything goes right from the start, so yeah, I'm gonna break it down to you guys again. But it was not that deep, so this right here we created a buffer. So last video, this is what you guys have, right? When we get the string length, we send our welcome message to the client here, and then we check to see if that failed or not. So that's that. Now, our next mission is to handle the request. To handle the request, just like sending a message, we have to send a message from a buffer. We have to receive the message to a buffer to check it. So we specify the buffer here. We did a 64-bit buffer that holds characters. Okay. The receive message takes the socket, the buffer, and then the buffer size with the flag at the end, which is why we did the length and we did size of the buffer and we specified that is size underscore t, and then we added a null terminator at the end of the buffer, alright, using the receive variable here, and then we checked it. So
The next thing to do is to burst the request. We need to split the requests up. We need to split the lines up. Then we split the spaces up. Then we verify the method. That's all we're going to be doing today is verifying the method. So let's get right to it. So I already specified some variables because that's what we need, right? We have a line. Then we have to split the method up. We have to split the URL. And then we have to split the protocol. Okay. We'll be using a function called string talk, which splits up tokens, splits up strings into tokens. Okay, so we have specified a string. We'll specify the separation and then the pointer to point back to. Okay, so we could say, right, token is equal to string, string, string talk r. And then for a string, it wants to be, we could specify, we specify c underscore s. The client responds, okay? The client responds. And then we do, okay, we're separating it by the return, which is enter, and then the next line. And then we're going to add where to point back to, so we do save pointer, and then we can do that. And then we can call this the line. We can call this the line, right? So I say if line is equal to, okay, let's say equal to, let's just say successful. Or we say not equal to that, we want to say error no. Let me just do string error, right? And then specify error no, and then we specify the error if that does happen, and then we say else. Want to print that the line is split. The line has been request line split successful. That's what we gonna say. Okay, so now we need to split the method up, and we can do this by specifying the method we want, I guess. It's like, alright, so string token underscore r, right? We do enter, and then no, we don't do enter. We do that. What are those called? I low key forgot. Brackets. Yeah, we do the brackets, and then we do. I think it's we do the method. Then we specify that we want to split it by spaces, and then we save that back into the save pointer. And then we can just call this token method is equal to token. I believe this might be wrong right here. I think we could just do the null. So we split it up by the line. So, okay, now since we want to specify that we're on a line, so we can just do that, the line right there. Maybe it has to be like that. Okay, and now we can handle our get method. So if method is equal to get, right, we do get print method received. I'm gonna say get method received. Then we're gonna do else print get method only. Alright, that should be it for now. I really just want to test it out, see if it works before moving on. Because, yeah, I know there's going to be a lot of things going on. Okay, so, compatible pointer. Restrict by argument is of type of a character pointer. Okay, so I know why C, the client response isn't working. Because that's not where the response is stored. That's not there. So we just do client buffer, I believe it is. Is it client buffer? Or response buffer, okay. So in the response buffer, we do that. And then we can have the line there. Okay. That worked out. So now we gotta get a new terminal. Then we gotta NC this for the IP, and then we specify that our port, we connect, welcome to the server, successful method, success. What the fuck did I just do? The sock creation failed. Wait, sock creation failed. Client connection failed.
Uh-oh, Richard!
Okay. Get method only? Okay, it works. Now we just have to receive message. Now we just have to request line split. We just have to split these up. Or next line these. Let me go here. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that, but I didn't mean to X. Honestly, guys, I don't know why the code wasn't working. If your code is the same, it should work. It's just acting hella weird. Man, telnet? Let me see. Okay, I can use telnet. Fuck NC, man. Okay, so telnet is the same as NC. Just do and then 880. Telnet. Okay, I seem to not be able to type. Connect, remote host connection, refuse. It's not checking it though. It's not checking how I wanted to really check it. So let me go in here. And this can just be no, they say. ready to let me connect. Okay, let's see if the post method works. What the fuck is going on? I swear. I want to see if just something work in my eyes. I don't care about that. Please somewhere, please somewhere, please somewhere. String. Hmm. Let me see what the issue is with the method. That might be the big issue. Because everything. Okay, so print. Method. Method. Fuck everything else. If this doesn't work, then nothing will work at the end of it. And we can't connect. Okay, we can't connect. If this doesn't work, sorry about that. If this doesn't work, if it doesn't print the method, uh, I think I know why it's not printing the method either. Because I fucking set it to be a null instead of on a line, like a dumbass. A quick little fix too. Yeah, that's definitely what it is, right? I mean, yo, I mean, it's printing. It's better than before. Okay, we're not gonna get method now. So like, in my eyes, low key, this is a win. But low key, let's say method. What does it say? Not receive. Post method not receive. Post method receive. Post method not receive. Okay, so I think it's because method not receive. Did it tab it over? Was it capital? No, it's not even capital. Okay, so I don't want to do. I don't want it to do that. If it's a get method, it's a get method. If it's not a get method, then it's not a get method. Right? Let's say else if string compare the method to post is equal to 0. Then we want to specify everything that's in this bitch. Starting from here. Yes, sir. Boom. And then else. Now we print boom boom. And then we say not. And now hold on, we do string not and no method. Next line is, and then we say method. Boom, 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 boom. Please, 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 please. Okay, what method do I want to use this time? Okay, let's get it. Like, come on now. Now I'm rolling it up, boy. Like, come on. Let's solve the problem. It's better than what it is before. And yeah, we're gonna keep doing that, for the future videos. Solve the problem, we move on. It's that simple. Just because you solve a problem, you don't get too happy, and you don't focus on the problem even more to cause it to fuck up. But yeah, hopefully you guys are paying attention. This is the code right here for the method handler. So if I go to what do we do today? I don't know where to find this shit, to be honest. Yeah, but we handled the request today. We parsered it, the method of request. That's my shell diagram. Desktop HTTP. Okay, so yeah, zoom in, right? We received the request, we stored it in the buffer, and then this is what we did today. We parsed it. We split up the strings, right? We split up the, no, we split it up in the buffer. We split the buffer up in the first line, we did that. We split the first space delimiter for the get request method, right? Verify that the string is a get request. If not, check for a post method. Else, send an invalid method. That's basically all it was for today. And then tomorrow we're gonna verify the request. So tomorrow we're gonna handle probably something about a file or something. Pretty cool, right? What do we do? We just handle the get method. Let's see if the what's it called method, the post method works. So post, okay, post method receive. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed this learning experience, going through a mind of someone building problem solving skills as a hacker and as a programmer, and also try to stay away from AI when you're learning. Use AI's input on like ideas you have, but don't just because I could have easily said, let me show you guys what I could have did using ChatGPT and what I learned from this rather than just using ChatGPT because now I know that okay, like I don't even know what I learned. Actually, I do know what I learned. So back to the screen. Hopefully you guys are here still. Okay, my shit's lagging a little bit. I wanna do this. Okay, so what I did learn today was look. So we handled the request and everything was right until I got to the point where right in a buffer we split the first line up. Okay, we split the first line up. And so on the save pointer is on the first line. I put this right here to null, meaning nothing. So it's splitting up nothing. At the pointer, at the line, it's doing nothing. So instead of that being null, I needed that to be line where the save pointer is, and then we split up the limiters. Okay, the first delimiter, which is for us the space, and that is going to be the method. Okay, so this is a string. This is the save pointer, and then the first delimiter is here, and we save that as method, and then we compared it, boom, 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 bow, boom, 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 bow, boom, 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 bow, all in one. It looks beautiful now, I ain't gonna lie. Better than what I was fucking doing before, just fucking going through shit. But what I mean is, you go into ChatGPT and, saying okay, I need help building a server. I don't know how to script it. I'm new to coding, and I wanna learn. Doing something like that. Okay. I okay. I'm demonstrating a video of me using Chat GPT the wrong way. Go along with it. Going to ask you a question. Okay? Yeah, my Chat GPT be wild sometimes. Okay, so look, actually they did do it. It's in Python Echo Server, so like, yeah, basically, you don't want to ask ChatGPT for yeah, this nigga's a goof, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, these niggas is funny. AI is funny. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, so this is how you really want to ask a question. If you do need to ask ChatGPT for an answer. If you want a quick answer and you don't have any other way to find the answer, yeah, do this. Can you give can you not give can you help me with finding the answer? Can you help me with not finding because they're not gonna find. Can you help me with understanding how to make a honey pot, but I don't want you to give me the syntax. I'm trying to build my problem solving skills on my own, and yeah. So that's what you want to actually ask ChatGPT to give you no syntax. The keyword, do not give me syntax. Okay, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna, yeah, I feel so busy. You want me to help you understand how to think about building without giving you actual code so you can build those problems. Yeah, basically that's it. So, like that, we're gonna test this out again just because I think it's cool. You feel me? Because I made it. Let me see. That's it. Shit look nice, man. I don't. I think I'm at the same level as my other script, which is insane because it took me a while for this script is a little bit better. Your guy's script, not gonna lie, is pretty weak. I mean, it's not weak, but this script I have here, I don't know why. Is a like it tells me what's going on. The address is already in use. So I been into the server. I have fucking misspelling issues. I might be anorexic. Okay, so client socket created successful been into the host. I think we're ready. Okay, socket exception. Let me see. Just this one just doesn't handle. Yeah. Checking method. This is the method. It doesn't really say anything. It just does that. Now if we do this, okay. But you don't succeed. They said when you try your best, but you don't succeed. And yeah, yeah, yeah. You know this is what it's all about. All about building and learning. I'm not even hacking. People like hackers hack. I'm not even hacking yet. I'm trying to build my server so then I can hack. I don't know why. I'd rather do it this way than hack some boxes because like I'm still building my programming skills at the same time as I'm gonna learn some things and then I'm gonna learn how to secure it. So that's gonna be the journey. That's what you guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna see a lot of that. Okay, so you ready? Post. Boom. Okay, so like same concept. Checking a method. We receive the message. Receive method. Receive. Right. Method. Post. Okay. We just said post method receive. Okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, and yeah, be back. You know, another video gonna be dropping soon. Next we'll be handling files, and yeah, honestly, the server's gonna be coming through really soon. You're gonna be seeing the server actually there, and then a couple of videos after that, we're gonna be breaking the server, which is the fun part. We're gonna hack it. No, we're building it right now. We're gonna hack it. We're gonna break it. Every time we break something, we secure it, and then we move to the next vulnerability. Actually, that's not how it works. Okay, so we have to. So our server right now has a vulnerability in there. It's easy to break. We can break it. It's pretty easy. But for other vulnerabilities, we have to add them in there. So we have to do a little bit of researching, add them in there, and then break it, and then secure it. And then we'll know about the vulnerability, how to break it, how to secure it, how to build the vulnerability, how to secure the vulnerability, how to break it, and how to best security coding practices. So if y'all want to enjoy for that, if y'all want to stay for that, if y'all want to see that, like these videos, show some love. And yeah, they're long, but it's a good learning experience if you just want something to play, if you just want something to watch, chill with. You know, if you guys want me to go live too, that could be another thing. I ain't tripping. You know, it's just gonna be the late night lives because I don't that daily stuff, during the day stuff. A lot goes on during my mind. I be having a lot going on and things. So you know, anything else than that though, I'll catch you guys.